Wind energy is a form of solar energy that is created by the uneven heating of Earth's surface. It basically works like the opposite of a fan, and instead of converting electricity into wind, it converts wind into electricity. When wind blows the blades of a wind turbine, it creates motion in the shaft and rotates a rotor. The rotor has oppositely charged magnets surrounded by copper wire, which create electromagnetic induction, therefore creating electricity. The electricity is then sent through a transformer to increase the voltage and successfully transfer the electricity to power stations where the voltage is decreased so that it can be made safe for homes. Wind energy is a renewable source of energy and is arguably one of the most environmentally sustainable sources. Here's a model of a wind turbine, and you can see that these are the blades. And right here, when the wind blows the blades, it rotates the rotor inside, sort of like a gear, which then rotates this gear and creates electricity. Wind energy creates no air pollutants and releases no carbon dioxide. Although a rise in death rates of birds and bats correlates with the introduction of wind turbines, it can be prevented by installing white lights on the blades so that the birds and bats can see the blades and avoid them. Another environmental impact of wind energy is land use. Because wind turbines have to be placed 5 to 10 rotor diameters apart, they do take up a lot of space. Although this land can still be used for agricultural use, livestock production, and highway construction. Wind turbines require no management to maintain, but have caused problems such as noise pollution, stress, annoyance, and an aesthetic impact. When placed near humans experience a loss in sleep, an increase in stress, and other human health impacts that may negatively impact their life. Wind turbines are responsible for a shadow flicker effect that occurs when the blades of the turbine turn and interfere with the shadow, creating a sort of flashing light effect. Although these problems have the ability to interfere with human health and negatively impact it, they can all be avoided by proper siting.
Another advantage of wind power is its cost efficiency. 80% of the cost goes to machinery, creating a high initial investment. After the turbine is built, costs decrease significantly because wind is free and there is no fuel to purchase or operating expenses. Large wind turbines are more cost efficient as they create more electricity and can be grouped together into wind farms, which provide bulk power to the electricity grid. The power of a wind turbine produces can range from 250 watts, which is enough to power a battery, to 6 megawatts, which is enough electricity to power 1,600 households. The amount of electricity produced depends on the speed of the wind, the size of the turbines, and the amount of turbines present. For example, the largest wind farm, which is located in Texas, is the home of 421 wind turbines. These wind turbines are capable of producing enough energy to power 220,000 homes per year. Wind energy is cost-efficient, environmentally sustainable, and can supply enough power for everyone in our colony and more. We urge you to not ignore the facts. Choose wind energy.
Wind energy is our second chance. Choose wind energy.